this out. Bam. This is a beautiful sugar scrub, and this is a gingerbread cookie scent. It smells just like homemade baked cookies during the Christmas season or even Thanksgiving season. Hey, I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, and today I want to show you how I made this beautiful sugar scrub. Gingerbread cookie sugar scrub, and it's going to have cappuccino mica, sparkle mica, and it's going to have super sparkle white diamond mica powder, and it really is airborne, so you have to wear a mask with this one. So this is a beautiful scent of cinnamon and cocoa, and has ginger, and so it's a nice bakery scent. Foaming bath butter, I'm going to add that first, kind of whip it around, changing my process a little bit. And the reason I'm doing this is because it kind of coats it so it doesn't solidify on me. And you can do this with a hand mixer. I'm making a big batch. Because I'm making this for some gifts for the season, the Christmas season. So I'm just going to whip this around. Oops, I gotta make sure it's locked in. It is. Okay, now I'm ready to add my ingredients. This is the melt and pour, and it's the glycerin and the cocoa butter and the mango. So I'm going to add that to the mixer. So see how it kind of chunks up a little bit? That's how it is with the melt and pour. Okay, that looks really good. Looks like marshmallow. Isn't it? It looks like you can eat it. Okay. Alright, now I'm ready to stir in my sugar. I'm going to add that slowly. Otherwise it just goes all over the place. So it has a nice, beautiful texture here, and I'm just going to scrape down the sides a little bit, and then I'm going to add my preservative, my fragrance oil, which is the gingerbread cookie, and it smells wonderful in the shop today. Getting ready for the Christmas season. I can't wait. I already had a wholesaler come in, buy a whole bunch of stuff, so that was really a great day. Love it. Alright, so I'm going to add this in, and I'm going to go like this. This is how I'm going to do it. So I've mixed in the preservative and the fragrance oil all together. Put this on low. Wow, that smells good. Oh my gosh. That smells really good. Wow. Yeah, this is a really nice scent. Scrape the sides, make sure it's all mixed up. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. That really turned out nice. And I can add more sugar if I wanted to. Okay, so I'm going to divide the mixture, and I'll show you how I'm going to color it. I'm going to put a mask on because this super sparkly, really airborne. This one's going to be the dark one. For the white, so airborne. So I just want a little bit of glitter. See how airborne it is? And then I have the brown right here. This is so pretty. Isn't it pretty, that copper? Just love that. It's so pretty. Just want to get this all stirred up. Just add a little bit of glitter. See, it has a little bit of sparkle. And I'm going to do this one here. You just stir it in. Gives it a little bit of a red, orangey color. That's very pretty. This is all set. And then I'm going to do this one. And I just need a little. I can take my mask off because that is all done. Just do this around. I'm just going to lay this and I'm going to put it in a piping bag. And I just want to make a line. Wow, this smells so good. I want to eat it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow. And I only did like a medium, so I didn't. You can do like a strong scent, but I was like, oof. I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh. If you're making sugar scrubs, I highly recommend this scent. And I did make, I don't know if you've seen the other videos, the eucalyptus spearmint. That one's really nice. It has a little bit of a fragrance oil in it. I did the eucalyptus cotton spa. It's nice. So that came out beautiful. And then I also did a ginger lime because it really is a popular scent. It's really light and uplifting and not, people think, you know, with ginger that it would actually be very overpowering, but it's nice and light. They're like, oh wow, this is so fresh. It smells wonderful. I know, right? Okay, so then we'll make a line of the chocolate. And this is lavender sugar that's in there. That's why it has all those little specks. Okay, now I'm ready to actually pipe it. I will show that next. Bring it together like that. Oh, that is pretty. Wow. This is for the gift set. And the next video to watch is on making sugar scrubs, and I'll link it here. And if you are interested in my supply haul and what I'll be making later on in the season, I do have that video and I'll link that down below so you can see what I've purchased and what I'm going to be using and making for the Christmas holiday season, or even next year for Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. All right, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.